Hello friends, welcome to OctaCoder. In this video lecture we are going to learn CSS selectors. So let's start. In the previous lecture, as I said, HTML and CSS is like a human being. If you consider as a human being, it is same like a human. We also have head, body and legs. HTML also have head tags, body tags and footer tags. And human also wear different colorful clothes, different t-shirts, pants, jeans, etc. So in the HTML language we have CSS to decorate our web page. We can do background colors. We can decorate the whole web page by the CSS. So there are many CSS selectors like we have. First one is a universal selector. Second one is a tag based selectors. You can also call it as elements. Third is ID base. Fourth is class base, and also we have more selectors like pseudo class, pseudo elements, like that we have. And also we have the grouping selector. These are the most common useful CSS selectors to decorate our web page. Universal is like a whole document. You don't need to apply one by one. It will apply to all elements whatever you want to style. If you select the universal, so it will apply to all. And for that we use universal selector. Then there we have tag based tags like div tag, p tag, h1 tag to h6 tag. We have h6 tag like span tag, table tag. There are a lot of tags in the HTML language. We will learn one by one. So you can decorate the styles as a tag base. So like that we have elements tag base. So these are the tag base, and if you want to style the particular part, then you can select as a ID base or you can select as a class base. These tags, all tags have attribute like ID attribute, class attributes. So these are the CSS selectors. You can also select as in a group to style your web page. Like if you want to color background color to h1 and h4 tags, so you can just select the h1 and h4 tag and then give the background color whatever you want inside the open curly and close curly braces. So these are the CSS selectors. We will learn one by one with the practical example. So stay tuned with the OctaCoder.